Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to manipulate text with button scripts. Create two string variables, one for the base text and one for the modified text. The default value for the base text is I like Peakboard. Connect the text controls on your screen with the variables. In our first script, we want to replace the word like in our base text with the word love. Open the button script with a double click on the button. Choose the block to set the variable of the modified text. Next, search for replace in the script tree and write the word like in the first space and love in the second space. Add the variable for the base text in the last space of the code block. The next button sets the modified text to the first 7 characters of our base text. For this, go to the text part of the script tree and choose the block, Get Part of Text. Add the variable of the base text to the first space, choose character number for both drop-downs, and add 1 and 7 to the remaining spaces of the block. The change to uppercase in the text part of the script tree sets the modified text to an uppercase version of the base text. To get the last word of the base text, go to the text part of the script tree and choose the block, Get Part of Text. Add the base text variable to the first space. Next, we find the last word by adding the index of the last space in our base variable. Choose Index of Under More in the text part of the script tree. Find the last position and then add an empty text to locate the last space. Select last character in the drop-down. Use the length of block and convert it to a string to set the modified text to the number of characters. Our last example shows how to add a regex code to remove numbers. Switch to the script mode and add the following code. Switch to the preview to test out the buttons and manipulate the text. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.